Good morning. I'm Rajin Jacob from Fluke Technologies. So Fluke is a brand which is founded in 1948. So now we are celebrating 75th anniversary. So us in the industries, every industrial team knows that Fluke is a brand which is particularly concentrated for the mechanical and electrical maintenance activities, and which is also included our R&D. We have some instruments that can be used for the R&D divisions. So here you can see in the cover, starting from the battery analyzer, clamp meter, then power quality analyzer, then oscilloscopes. So as I mentioned, this is a vibration tool which is used for the mechanical failures or mechanical vibration issues, and this is an instrument which can be used to identify particularly for the leaks. So this is a very important thing in the industries. Our motors are running to generate some compressed systems. So that's a very important thing, like we have to identify in case of any leaks are occurred in between. So for that is a best tool which is implemented by Fluke on 2019, 2019. So then afterwards, if I can see, this is other vertical. So this is a Fluke networks. So as we know that in nowadays, all the industries are running in networks. So we have a network analyzing tools. So that will be incorporated with the service providers for the network firm. And apart from that, we have other tools like thermal imager. So this is a thermal scanner. So you can easily identify the temperature distributions in anywhere. As we know that in the world, all the objects emit some radiations in terms of infrared energy. So that is a working principle. It detects an energy and will give us an imaginary format. So apart from that, we are also stepped into solar industry. So this is a solar SMFT tester. So for solar from the panel, sorry, this is not the actual instrument. So the same like, so we are also into the solar industry. So here, what it does is from the panel till the UPS. So all the tests can be done with that instrument. So as I just mentioned, the Fluke is completely for the maintenance tools for all the industries. So that's all from my side. Thank you.